வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வைரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1ல கடந்த ஆண்டு நடந்த பொது அறிவு கேள்வி பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். இதில் 3வது எபிசோடு. சரிங்களா? கொஸ்டின் அதை அப்படியே கண்டினியூ ஆகுது. 61st கொஸ்டின். தமிழ்நாடு ஸ்டேட் ஹேஸ் விச் ஆஃப் தி ஃபாலோயிங் பாலிசிஸ்? 1. தமிழ்நாடு R&D பாலிசி. 2. தமிழ்நாடு லைஃப் சயின்சஸ் ப்ரொமோஷன் பாலிசி. 3. தமிழ்நாடு ஃபுட்வேர் அண்ட் லெதர் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் பாலிசி. 4. தமிழ்நாடு ஃபின்டெக் policy. A 1, 3, 4, B 1 and 3, C 1, 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 4. The correct answer is C 1, 2 and 3. 62nd question. Which of the following are correctly matched? New India and Commonwealth, Mrs. Annie Besant, Kesari and Maratha Balagangadhar Tilagar, Indian Opinion Harigopal Deshmukh, Indu Prakash Mahatma Gandhi. A 1 and 2, B 1 and 4, C 1 and 3, D 3 and 4. The correct answer is A 1 and 2. 63rd question. Which are the following statements correct about Madras Native Association? 1. The first political organization started in India. 2. The Madras Native Association began to function on 1852. 3. The founder of the Madras Native Association was G. Lakshminarasu Chetty. 4. And the leader of the Madras Native Association was Anandu Charlu. A 3 only, B 1 and 2 only, C 2 and 3 only, D 2 and 4 only. The correct answer is C 2 and 3 only. 64th question. The tropical cyclone winds blow into the northern hemisphere in dash direction. A clockwise, B straight, C anti-clockwise, D circular. The correct answer is C anti-clockwise. 65th question. Which are the pillars of blockchain technology? 1. Transparency. 2. Immutability. 3. Decentralization. A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D 1, 2 and 3. 66th question. Which of the following act was described by Jawaharlal Nehru as the charter of slavery? A. Government of India Act 1909. B. Government of India Act 1919. C. Government of India Act 1935. D. Government of India Act 1947. The correct answer is Government of India Act of 1935. 67th question. In which annual sessions of Indian National Congress made the historic Purna Swaraj Declaration? A. 1907 Surat. B. 1920 Nagpur. C. 1929 Lahore. D. 1940 Karachi. The correct answer is 1929 Lahore. 68th question. Who was selected as the President of Council of Action, which was constituted by Tamil Nadu Congress Committee to execute civil disobedience in 1930? A. C. Rajagopalachari. B. C. S. Satyamurthy. C. T. S. S. Rajan. D. T. Prakasam. The correct answer is B. S. Satyamurthy. 69th question. The steps adopted in the long-term conservation strategy of wildlife are: hunting should be strictly prohibited in the national parks, sanctuaries, biosphere reserves. 2. More national parks and wildlife sanctuaries should be established. 3. Captive breeding of wildlife should not be encouraged. A. 1 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 2 only, D 1 and 3 only. The correct answer is C 1 and 2 only. 70th question. Assignment of ecological or biological significance of a contaminant effect based on primarily on statements of statistical significance but contrary to biological probability. A. Malthusian theory. B. Median effective concentration. C. Molestic incongruity. D. Maximum likelihood estimation. The correct answer is C. Molestic incongruity. 71st question. Which of the following statements about the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA 2019 are true. 1. Citizens will be granted to the foreigners who lived in India for more than 6 years. 2. Citizenship to members of Hindu, Sikhs, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian communities from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan who entered India on or before 31st December 2014. 3. Members of specific communities will be granted citizenship within 6 years instead of 12 years. 4. The CCA will help to the preparation of National Register of Citizens. A. 1 and 2 are true. B. 2 and 4 are true. 3 and 4 are true. D. 2 and 3 are true. The correct answer is B. 2 and 4 are true. 72nd question. Find the mismatched answer about the Indian Railway zones. Southern Chennai, Central Jaipur, Northern New Delhi, Eastern Kolkata. The correct answer is B. Central Jaipur. 73rd question. Which of the following statements are true about human races? 1. The race is group of people with more or less permanent distinguishing characters. 2. Human races are classified in 7 blood groups. 3. The races are identified and classified based on skin, color, stature, shape of head, face, nose, eye, type of hair and blood group. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 only. D. 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is A. 1 and 3 only. 74th question. Dash was the contemporary of Emperor Akbar in England. A. King John. B. Queen Elizabeth I. D. Queen Victoria. King Charles II. The correct answer is B. Queen Elizabeth I. 75th question. Meadows Taylor observes that the death of Dash was the beginning of end of the Pomni kingdom. A. Muhammad Gawan. B. Ahmad Shah. C. Muhammad Shah. D. Humayun. The correct answer is A. Muhammad Gawan. 76th question. Arrange the chronological order. Nehru Report, Pune Pact, Simon Commission, Cripps Mission. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 3, 2, 1, 4. C. 3, 1, 2, 4. D. 2, 1, 4, 3. The correct answer is C. 3, 1, 2, 4. 77th question. Which are the following not correctly matched? A. Arif Gandhari, Tariq-i-Akbari. B. Nizamuddin Ahmad, Tabakat-ki-Akbari. C. Abdul Hadir Badoni, Mundak-ut-Tawarik. D. Muhammad Khan, Kulasat-Tawarik. The correct answer is D. Muhammad Khan, Kulasat-Tawarik. 78th question. Match the following. Garo, Assam, Kuki, Mizoram, Todas, Tamil Nadu, Miri, Arunachal Pradesh. We can go directly to the answer. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So இது என்னன்னா அப்படியே ஆர்டரில் மேட்ச் ஆயிருக்கு. 1, 2, 3, 4. 79th question. The stupa at Amaravati is the best example of what? A. Nagara style of architecture. B. Visara style of architecture. C. Mughal architecture. D. Dravidian architecture. The correct answer is Dravidian architecture. D. 8th question. Choose the right matches among the following type. Vedantis, Brahma, Nayakyas, Arhat, Jaina, Creator, Mimansaks, Karma. A. 1 and 4 are correct. B. 1 and 2 are correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. 3 and 4 are correct. The correct answer is A. 1 and 4 are correct. 81st question. Choose the correct match. RAC Mumalik, Minister of Defense. Musarifi Mulak Mumalik, Accountant General. Tabi Mumalik, Minister of Public Grievances. Mustafi I. Mumalik, Auditor General. A. 1 and 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1, 3, 4 only. The correct answer is C. 1, 2 and 4 only. 82nd question. Consider the following statements and find the incorrect answer. 1. The Constitution imposes limits to President to give assent to bill passed by the state legislature. 2. The President may refer a reserved bill to the Supreme Court under the Article 143 for discussion. 3. The power of the President assent to a bill passed by legislative, state legislature and Parliament are the same. 4. The President cannot keep a bill of a Parliament pending at his hands for an indefinite period of time. 1. 1 and 4 are incorrect. B. 1 and 3 incorrect. C. 2 and 3 incorrect. D. 3 and 4 are incorrect. The correct answer is D. 3 and 4 are incorrect. 83rd question. Which constitutional amendment incorporated Puducherry in Indian Union? 10th, 12th, 14th, 22nd. The correct answer is C. 14th. 84th question. Arrange in chronological order. 1. Sarkaria Commission. 2. Balwantrai Mehta Committee. 3. Rajamanar Committee. D. Administrative Reforms Commission. A. 2314. B. 2431. C. 2413. D. 4231. The correct answer is B. 2431. 85th question. Which of the following statements are correct? 1. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted on 1948. 2. Article 10 says that all human beings are born free. UDHR has altogether 32 articles. 4. UDHR was adopted by United Nations General Assembly. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4. B. 1, 2 and 3. C. 1 and 4. D. 1, 2 and 4. The correct answer is C. 1 and 4. 86th question. Which of the following statements are true about the Union Territories of India? 1. From 26 January 2020, Dadra, Nagar Haveli and Daman Diu are combined to a single territory. 2. Articles 239 to 241 in Part 7 of the Constitution deal with the Union Territories. 3. The two Union Territories from former state of Jammu and Kashmir are Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir. 4. The largest Union Territory of India is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. A. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. B. 1 and 3 are correct. C. 2 and 4 are correct. D. 2, 3, 4 are correct. The correct answer is B. 1 and 3 are correct. 87th question. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Article 361. President enjoys protection from criminal proceedings against him in the court of law. Article 352. National emergency. Article 356. President's rule in state. Article 360. Finance Commission. A. 1 only. B. 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3 only. D. 4 only. The correct answer is D. 4 only. 88th question. Choose the correct answer. The fundamental rights are being described. 1. The Magna Carta of India. 2. The conscience of the constituents. 3. The soul of Constitution. 4. Inspiration from Bills of Rights of American Constitution. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 89th question. Match the following constitutional articles related to Chief Minister of State, subject and matter, and article number. Council of Ministers and aid and advise the Governor, 164. Other provisions to ministers, 166. Conduct of business of the Government of State, 167. Duties of Chief Minister with respect to furnishing information to the Governor, etc., 163. Direct நம்ம சாய்ஸ் போயிடும். 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. So, Council of Ministers to aid the advice of Governor on that is Article 163. Other provisions to ministers, 164. Conduct of business of the Government of State, 166. Duties of the Chair of Chief Minister with respect to furnishing of information to the Government, 167. 90th question. Match the following and year. Goswami Committee, Electoral Reforms, 1993. Vora Committee and Report, 1998. Indrajit Gupta Committee on State Funding of Elections, 2003. The Second Administrative Reforms Commission, 1990. So that is 4, 1, 2, 3. Again it's 4, 1, 2, 3. Goswami Committee on Electoral Reforms 1990, ORA Committee 1993, Indrajit Committee at 1998, and Second Administrative Reforms Commission, that is 2003. Sorry. Thank you very much. So we'll see the rest of the questions in the remaining episodes.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.